Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the background noise on this CapCut website. So all you need to do, first of all, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go here to the URL section, type CapCut.com, and for you, you will not have this as your home or as your main screen. You will have another main screen if it's your first time. Of course, you will have two options there. You'll have the option of using this CapCut application on the browser like me, or you can just download it on your PC if you want. Of course, you will have a video which will show you how to do that in this channel, so make sure to go and check it out if you want to download it on your PC. So of course, because of course on PC it's much smoother. So of course you will have another two options at the top right corner, which is log in and sign up. So if you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up into your account or create an account, or if you already have an account or you just created your account, just go and log in into it to find yourself in this main screen. And then from here you can open a recent project, or you can just go and click at blank canvas right here, and you will need to wait until it loads correctly from here. So of course if you have the application, you will not need to wait any loads or anything like that. As I said, it will be smoother for you. So for me, I'm just going here to upload a file. I have here was 1 second video to show you how to do that. So of course you will, once you uploaded your file, just go here and drag it into this area right here. Oh, sorry, just drag it right here, and as you can see, you'll need to wait until it loads correctly right here. So of course from here you will need to select the video like that. So you will need to select the video, because if you didn't, you will not be able to start editing on the background or anything. So of course from here we have the basic, we have the remove background. You can only support auto recognition of portraits. That's just if you like have your picture in the background, and you can like add some background colors. So of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, if you want to remove the background noise, simply just go here to audio and scroll down. So, and you'll find here a noise reduction. Just go and enable this option and then export your video and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.